is database administrator? Database administrator are professionals who ensure that all databases, including for those financial and customer information, stay up to date with policies and procedure in the place to protect against data loss. Should something happen on site, at their office, they utilize their skills to computer science to resolve it.
And how about data administration? Data administration is the process by which data is being monitored, maintained and managed by data administrator and or organization. Data administration allows an organization to control its data assets as well as their processing interactions. With different applications and business processes, data administration ensures that the entire life cycle of data use and processing is on par with the enterprise objectives.
There are similarities between DA and DBA. The function of this both is to tend data and share some similar skills. For example, both should be able to create data models, though the DA will be more adept at it. So DBAs and DAs need to cross-train. The DBA should understand more about the business in order to more effectively administer the database under his control. And the DA should understand more about technology. Cross-training enables both to do a better job because the DBA will know why he's creating and maintaining the database. And the DA will know what is possible given the current technology and why some things may need the change in order to be physically implemented.
In short, the roles of data administrator and database administrator are both critical to the effective management of data in any organization. While the DA focuses on strategic data governance and policy making, the DBA is responsible for the technical management and maintenance of database systems. Both roles require a unique set of skills and knowledge, and their collaboration is essential for ensuring the data is accurate, secure, and available when needed. Understanding and respecting the distinct contributions of each role can lead to a more robust and efficient data management strategy, ultimately supporting the organization's broader goals and objectives.